you very much, my Lord Bishop, the family of late Karaba, the fourth President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, the second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, and all other protocols observed. Was called here to basically introduce Kirinyaga professionals. There's a group we started, Your Excellency, a very long time ago, to just look at welfare of Kirinyaga in terms of development and in terms of people engagement. So if you are one of us, kindly stand so that we recognize you, the Kirinyaga professionals. Naona JS ndio ameanza. Tuwapigie makofi. And because I'm here, let me take also this opportunity kutoa rambirambi zangu kwa familia, Mama Njeri and the children for the loss of your husband, your father, and to all of us for the loss of our friend. Honorable Karaba, all of us know, and I won't repeat what has been said, is a man of the people. For those people who are in the WhatsApp group, they will remember that we have contributions ranging from 500,000 to 100 shillings in the same WhatsApp group. I've never seen that, and I've been in very many WhatsApp groups. I'm here also to mourn my former teacher. For those who don't know, Karaba was also my teacher. I can see Honorable Karua getting shocked. He was actually my teacher. And he never tired to remind people. So we honor him. But before I leave, and I know Bishop Kebosha, you said this is a section of politics, and I am not a politician. Your Excellency, after I left work, nilikuja huku ground, so we listened. Tuko huku ground, and if these people are to say, Honorable Karaba has spoken. Honorable Karaba has spoken. What we are seeing today is Karaba's speech to all of us. Honorable Karaba has brought all of us together from every corner of the country and from every political persuasion. And to the people on the front row, Honorable Karaba in his grave will want to see you this. Honorable Karaba anasema, as he lies here, may you work together to make this country a great country. Honorable Karaba anasema, mukiachana, anawaona akiwa high heavens. And he is saying, he wants you to know that this country is going through a lot of tribulations. Tuko kwa ground. Na watu, Your Excellency, half of them jioni hawatakuwa na chakula ya kukula, not because they don't work hard, but because all their hard work is going into the wrong hands. And Honorable Karaba has spoken. Hata mimi nataka kuungana na Honorable Karaba. Niseme the front row. In fact, it's only that Your Excellency, you came, and I may not order you around, or will you allow me? Please, the front row, stand. You know, Your Excellency, that's the heartbeat I was having. The front row. Some of us are tired. Yeah. Please, just stand to the people. I'm just ordering you around. Msitu aibishe, asanteni sana. Finally, may the soul of my teacher, my friend and mentor, Senator Karaba, rest in eternal peace. Asanteni sana.